So this is my own personal recipe for no cook overnight oatmeal. Very, very simple. I use plain Greek yogurt. You can choose to either use no fat or high fat. I usually go with high fat, 5%. 6 tablespoons is good. You can add more or less. I add around 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and 3 tablespoons of 1 minute oatmeal. Just make sure it's the 1 minute oats. Stir it together well, and you can leave it overnight or for half an hour or an hour, and it should be fine. Additionally, you can add a pinch of cinnamon and a drop of vanilla extract just to give it a little bit of a boom. Enjoy.